The cutting parameters of the laser need to be adjusted. Set the F2 laser in the F4. And then this is the cutting speed, cutting the height of the nozzle. And then select the gas. And then there's air pressure. And the power of cutting, the power is expressed in percentage. It's only 2000%, 2 kilowatts. And then multiply by the percentage. And this is the duty cycle. The duty cycle can be 100%. And then this frequency doesn't need to be changed. These are the focuses. This is a manual or auto head. No need to change. And then these 2 perforations. This normally requires only 2 perforations to be made to cut to about 10 millimeters. We need to transfer more. And then the gas. And then perforation. If the gas is changed, it needs to press this button up and down. And then make a choice. And then press this number key to make changes. After the changes have been made, let's save this. Click OK to save. File 2. Then save it with a name.